Hey everybody, good morning. Today's video we're going to cover off-grid electricity. I have some things to share and help some people out. We're going to do some comparisons to the systems that we use here on a daily basis that help us operate. Without these products, everything here would have taken way longer, would have been way more of a struggle, and I don't know if we would have been able to do it without it. So not only have you guys rooted us on and supported our channel and our journey here, but Bluetti has been a huge contributor to that as well. And Bluetti asked me if I would share my years of experience with you guys and their off-grid solutions and portable power stations, home backup systems. Something that we've had here is the AC300 and B300 and B300S battery expansion packs. Those systems have literally built this property along with Jen and I. Without them, we would have been listening to a loud gas generator, spending thousands of dollars on gas over the years, and it would have made it impossible to make most of the videos we made for you guys without ruining the peace and serenity we have here at the off-grid property. And we wouldn't have got as much done as we did. So today we're going to look back a little bit and show you some of the projects Bluetti has helped us with. I was looking back at some of our older videos and watching videos back from when we built the deck on the main cabin. And one thing that really stuck out to me was that we had a generator running all the time. It was loud, it was stinky, and it cost a lot of money to run all the time. And we had to invest in that generator to start with. So it was around that time, after building that deck, that I realized that we needed a better power source. So Bluetti stepped in and offered to let us use an AC300 and a B300 battery to do that. What this did was provide us with a clean and efficient power source that we could eliminate gas from the equation and the gas generator from the equation. We could charge it with our solar, so that was nice, saved us a lot of money there, and it made running our power tools easy and efficient. We had power on demand for our saws, lights, power tools of all sorts. If you've been here a while, you saw how we ran the whole off-grid cabin with the AC300 as well. We put it up in the loft, plugged it into our cabin through the TT30 plug, and we could run our cabin for a couple days on that. That included refrigeration, running the coffee maker, all the lights, fans, and charging our electronics without an issue. Funny thing is, over the years, the technology has gotten way better and far more affordable. When we started this journey, we built our entire solar shed, and all the solar equipment in there cost us nearly $4,000. And that $4,000 got us something very similar to the Bluetti AC300 and B300 combo. Big difference though is the cabin system was not portable. It wasn't easy to hook up. It took a lot of time and a lot of research to figure out how to get that system to work. It was stuff I was happy to know and learn, but if we would have had an AC300, it would have created an easy plug-and-play system for us. Another great thing that you're going to get to benefit from a Bluetti AC300 and B300 is that the cost is significantly less. This system is going to cost you a third of what that solar setup cost for our cabin. And it's going to be portable, it's going to have a warranty for 3+1 years, and it's going to be easily expandable. Bluetti's been such a great supporter here, they actually sent us their new B300K, and we can now run the AC300 off of that. The B300K is a streamlined battery system. It has over 2,700 watt hours, EV grade LiFePO4 batteries. You could have 4,000 charge cycles with it. That means you could use it every day for over 10 years. And that's actually a 16% longer lifespan than previous models. So with our older solar setup for the cabin, not only did it take a long time to learn how to set that up safely and make it usable for the cabin, but it was also expensive and difficult to expand. That's no longer a problem with the Bluetti. It's safe, it has all the plugs you need to run your off-grid cabin or use for home backup. And the B300K can actually be used by itself using the USB-A port. You can charge your phones or laptops or small DC devices with it. It can charge quickly using the Bluetti's portable solar panels, the 400-watt solar panels, and you're ready to go. Another great thing about Bluetti products is they're very streamlined and very versatile. And you know, versatility to me is very important. I don't want complicated adapters and different setups and different wires and different connectors that I have to use. The B300K will hook up to the AC500, the AC300, the AC200L, and the 200 Max. For the last year or so, we've been using the AC500 out here in the barn with the B300S. That system has been a lifesaver. It's brought me a lot of peace of mind. It's been here in the barn, ready to go. I can use it in these cold temperatures because it has a heating function for when I need to charge it. It powers the lights in the pole barn when needed. I've run extension cords from here over to the mini cabin. We've built 90% of that mini cabin with the AC500 and B300S. It gives me the feel of having a pole barn that's hooked up to the grid. You guys saw us a few months ago install the wind turbine, and I needed to weld for the first time, and the AC500 ran my welder just fine. I've used every power tool in the book with this AC500. It's a great system. It's also compatible with the B300K. So in all honesty, if I was starting this journey all over right now, knowing what I know, one of my first investments would be a Bluetti AC300 and B300K. The price points have come down significantly in the last 4 years. It's a streamlined, easy to set up, plug and play system. You can easily expand it to fulfill your needs and hook up to 4 B300Ks to it. You can easily hook up a transfer switch to run your home as home backup for an emergency type situation or off-grid situation here at a cabin. A Bluetti would be a great asset for you. So what does the boss think of the Bluetti AC300?
It's been an awesome unit for us.
We can charge it with solar.
Yep. You don't have to worry about gas running out.
Yep. We don't have to worry about the noise, the stink, and it's been super reliable. We've had many, many Bluetti systems, and I think only one, when we got it from the factory, wouldn't charge right, and we just had to call Bluetti. And they did a hard reset on it or a software update, and it's been flawless ever since.
Mm-hmm.
And with the power of the B300, the 300 or the 3,000 watt surge, we don't have any troubles with our power tools tripping it out. It's not like 5 years ago when we started this. The prices and technology have come so far. This setup is a third of the cost of our original solar setup, and it's got nearly the same power and capacity that our system had. And it's going to last over 10 years. This has just made our lives very easy here at the off-grid property, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Something I would highly consider, guys. And check out our links in the description box below. And check out this new B300K battery. It's really streamlined and very versatile to run with most of their systems. You know, we like that. We don't like complicated things here, do we?
No.
So we appreciate you guys hanging out with us today and letting us tell you about the Bluetti AC300 and the new B300K. Many, many years of using the Bluetti products now. And we've never had any problem with support either. Like when I called them for that one issue, right away got taken care of. And I honestly would check out the Bluetti AC300 or any of their products. Just buy what you need to suit your needs. Appreciate you guys hanging out with us today. And thank you again to Bluetti for sponsoring this video and supporting this channel. And we'll see you guys in the next video.